Great morning, friends. I am Irina S. Murthy, a wealth manager from Life Insurance Corporation of India. I am a financial advisor. Do you know that there is a guaranteed lifelong pension scheme from Life Insurance Corporation of India? There are three schemes in this. One is a government sponsored insurance like Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana. This gives you around 7.6% annual interest. So this is only for 10 years. So you can take this pension monthly, quarterly, half yearly, yearly. So after 10 years, this amount will be given back to you or to the nominee if you are not there. So this will be a maximum of 15 lakhs one-time investment. This is for the people, suppose the wife and husband both are above 60 years, this Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana can be implemented. So the maximum amount can be invested in Life Insurance Corporation of India by this Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana, which is a government sponsored scheme. So last year it was given 8% interest, but now it is reduced to 7.4 or 7.6 approximately. So this can be taken monthly, quarterly, half yearly and yearly. The second pension plan from Life Insurance Corporation of India, which is through LIC, this will be around 5% if you want an immediate pension, that is from next month onwards if you want. In this scheme you can put any amount, right from 2 lakhs to 1 crore, 10 crores, 30 crores, 100 crores, like that. There is no limit at the higher level. So this amount, anybody who is above 30 years of age can take this policy. So people even aged 60, 70, 80 years also they can take this plan, which gives you a pension of approximately 5% per annum, which can be taken monthly, next month onwards, quarterly, half yearly and yearly. At the end, this is one-time investment and you will be getting the pension throughout your life, and it is guaranteed amount throughout your life. After you, the amount will be given to the nominee, whatever the invested amount. If the minimum is 2 lakhs and if you are depositing at 10 crores, the 10 crores will be given to your nominee. Maybe your son, maybe your daughter or your granddaughter, grandson. So, and there is one more scheme which is deferred for a minimum of 1 year and maximum of 20 years. This also can be taken from 30 years age onwards, and people who are 60, 70, 80 people also can take this policy, but minimum deferment period is 1 year. So if the minimum deferment period after 1 year, exactly after 1 year, you can take the pension. This can be more than 5%. As you defer more years, more pension you will get. This will also be lifelong, and the end of the years, the amount will be given to the nominee, maybe your son, your grandson or your wife. So this can be done. So at the maximum of 20 years, this amount will be almost maybe 12 to 12% per annum interest is there. So out of this, we suggest that this deferred amount, that is minimum 1 year deferment, is better to put, if possible, a more than a crore. That will, so the pension will start from next year, and it will be more than 5%. According to this, it will be deferred. It will be a little bit more or less according to this. In this, there is a joint life also, like wife and husband, father and son, mother and daughter, father and daughter, or even if the people are who are above 60, 70, they can opt with their grandson who is above 30 years. So this will be a 3-generation policy also. You can make it. You can make a joint life. So with this, I feel this, because the bank interest rates will not be the same after 2 years, 3 years, because we have seen this in 2008, 12 to 13% was the bank interest rates. As India is progressing, it come down to 10, 12 to 10, then 10 to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Now the State Bank of India fixed deposit FD rates are below 5%, maybe 4.6 like that. So I suggest this Jeevan Shanti, especially which I am recommending, will not be there for this version, which is giving you more than 5%, will not be there. It may differ to lesser rates, maybe soon, as the bank interest rates are coming down, and this will come, this Jeevan Shanti, next version will come, the interest rates will be less. So make this opportunity avail for you, especially for the senior citizens. I recommend this should be taken. Of course, these young people also can, 30 years man also can take it, Shanti, and make a passive income, and he can be relieved from forceful working to wishful working. So once he differs for 5 years or 7 years like that, a software engineer, he can start his own business. Once he start this regular income, passive income, from a guaranteed income, just on the first of that date, without any smaller or higher, no, fixed amount will be coming throughout your life, and at the end, this amount, whatever you are invested, it will go to the nominee. Thank you very much. Hope this video, for further clarification, you can give me a ring on 93478 22223. I repeat, 93478 22223. Irina S. Murthy, a wealth manager from Life Insurance Corporation of India. My mail address is esmurthy. There is no H, MURTY, ESMURTY 9 @gmail.com is my email address. My website is www.irinawealth.com. This is my website. Thank you very much. Thank you for your cooperation to hear my this small bit of announcement, and feel that free to call me for any service I can render to you, especially for the senior citizen. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for listening me patiently to my